Today I'm going to show you how to buy 1 cent of Bitcoin. This is great for people that want a dollar cost average or buy little amounts of Bitcoin to experiment with it. The app that I'm using is called Strike. If you've never used this app, you can sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. I've used and tested basically every crypto app. Strike is currently the best way to buy and sell Bitcoin in my opinion. How I do it is I purchase my Bitcoin on here and then I just send it over to my hardware wallet, and there's no fees involved in that process. As some people know, on my channel I do an experiment where I buy $1 of Bitcoin every day. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to follow along for that. But let's get right into this. This is just like any other finance app. Sign up, connect all of your accounts, provide all of your information, and you'll be good to go. They're very quick with it, and I've had a great experience here so far. But you'll have like a cash balance tab here in the bottom left. You can go to your account screen in the bottom right and like deposit and withdraw to and from your bank. There's an activity screen here, a Bitcoin screen, and a card screen. By the way, if you haven't yet, go ahead and join the card waitlist and you'll get $1 for free. So on the Bitcoin screen, we just want to tap buy. We can type in 0.01, 1 cent of Bitcoin you can buy on this app. I think this is the only app that's allowing you to buy this little of an amount and test it out. You can also set up reoccurring purchases as well. I'm on one time, but you can do hourly, daily, weekly, monthly. So if you want to buy 1 cent every hour or a few cents every hour that averages out to $1 a day or whatever you want to do, you can do that here. But I'm just going to do 1 cent, one-time purchase, tap next. Here's our order preview and tap confirm. Just like that, we've purchased 1 cent of Bitcoin. We can go to our activity right here and see that purchase today at the top. So I purchased $1 every day, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy 99 cents as well. Tap next. It's gonna give us our order details, tap confirm. And just like that, added 99 cents. Let's go to our activity. You can see our purchases there under today. If I wanted to sell this, I can just tap the sell button, type in the amount that I want to sell, then confirm. You can also check your cash balance by just tapping this to toggle it. I usually just wait till I get about $10 in here, and then I'll tap the icon in the top right. There's a paste there at the bottom, so you can just paste in your Bitcoin address and then send that to whatever wallet that you use. So I purchase on here and then just send to my wallet whenever I want. There's a quick rundown of the Strike app. I think it's the best and most transparent Bitcoin app right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think down in the comments. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.